Looking for an honest answer on how to download Dodo Webview Android system Webview, step by step. Even though the steps seem simple, real safety depends entirely on downloading from official sources only. The main problem is that countless third-party links packed with malware, making the so-called quick method extremely risky and completely dependent on how careful the user is. Hey, want to download Google Webview Android system Webview? Step by step, it's easy. First of all, open Google Chrome on your device. After that, click the search bar and type Dodo Webview download app and press enter. Then click the first link that appears on your screen. After that, scroll down and click the Download APK button, then scroll down again and click the Download APK button once more. If you see an update or install button, tap it. Remember, this component doesn't open, it runs securely in the background and is essential for displaying web content in other apps. The $2.99 per month starter pack is an important upgrade for frequent users. It includes valuable features like keeping the server active, offering unlimited Premier Link access with no request limit, and removing all ads entirely. Logging in and upgrading your account is definitely worth it if you want a smooth, uninterrupted experience. A user review of Dodo websites also highlights a reliable and satisfying experience. I've personally used Dodo Skin for major brands like RoundLab, and the products were authentic with impressively fast shipping. I'd gladly purchase from them again even before considering options like Style Varna. Overall, the consistent and problem-free service means that even small orders arrive quickly and without any issues. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Stay smart and stay prepared.